Okay, good morning, everybody. We're writing 20th of January, and we are editing and improving. So our LO, natural enough, is to edit and improve. It should be on your sheet, so you don't need to write it down. Right. Now, I've said there are 4 edits and 2 sentence improvements in this passage. Can you find an improvement? Now, you may well think there'd be more because it's Roald Dahl and he does mess about. So, there is a 7th one hidden at the end. It's a spelling mistake. See if you can find that. It's the one before the one I talk about. So here's our passage. A mist was rising up now from a river, and out of the mist there appeared a boat. It was a large open rowing boat with a tall front and a tall back, like a Viking boat of old, and it was such a shining, sparkling, glistening pink colour, the whole thing appeared as if it were made of glass. There were many oars on either side of it, and as the boat came closer, the watchers on the bank could see that the oars were being pulled by massive Oompa Loompas, at least 10 of them to each oar. Of course, this comes from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. You may already have spotted quite a few mistakes. Okay? Quite a few things that you disagree with. Let me tell you that Roald Dahl got away with these. We wouldn't now. So, have a go yourself, pause the video here, and wait to renew it when you've done the improvements and the edits. Okay, well done. Here are the answers, as far as we can reasonably say the ones I put in. So there's the yellow again, it's like it is in your sheet. There's the passage. Now put yellow numbers next to the 6 that I think. There is a 7th. Let's see if you find that. You could probably find an awful lot more, like I said. So here we go. Charlie and Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. Number 1 is an improvement. That first sentence does not really describe the river or the mist. And Roald Dahl does tend to like his description, so it should be a steamy mist was rising up now from a warm chocolate river. Number 2 is an edit. Saw is the right letters, but the word should be was. So it's the right letters, wrong order. So it's a spelling mistake. Was. Similarly, number 3, that's a spelling mistake as well. Back. B-A-C-K. Now you might go on to say at number 4, there should be commas between shining, sparkling, glistening. Okay, and you're probably going to be right. You might also say for number 4 there shouldn't be a comma after old and before on, and you'd be right also there. Okay, and you can see it probably further on as well. That's something Roald Dahl does, and like I said before, he gets away with it. But if you did it, give yourself a mark. My number 4 is an improvement. The glass isn't really described, so I said shiny pink glass. That's a noun phrase. Number 5 is an edit. Glass is the last word of a sentence, so this should be a full stop. That makes the need for a capital T at there, so that's what I've done. There were many oars, carry on the sentence. There's that and again that we talked about earlier after it. So if you improve that one, give yourself a mark. Now, my number 6 was a edit. It was a spelling. It's the word least. It should be L-E-A-S-T. The one that I missed, you may have already got. If you notice that could should be C-O-U-L-D, give yourself a mark. If you got everything more than I did, give yourself 2 marks for the bits that you did. And go back and read this passage. Have a look at it. Have a look at Roald Dahl's use of punctuation and grammar and see how he breaks the rules and gets away with it. That's the genius of writing. I wonder if I was a genius, would they let me get away with it as well? Let me know how you did and have fun reading.